Hi guys, welcome back. Lesson how to clear Clipboard history on your Mac entirely. If you often copy and paste text or images on your Mac, you might be surprised to know that some Clipboard data can linger longer than you would expect. Clearing your Clipboard history not only helps protect your privacy, but also keeps your Mac running smoothly. In this guide, I'll show you how to easily clear your entire Clipboard history on your Mac quickly and effectively. That's it, let's get started. So first you have to launch the System Settings app on your Mac. After that, choose the Spotlight option located in the left sidebar. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and hit Clear Clipboard History option. And then you have to confirm the action by clicking on the clear option in the pop-up menu, and that's about it. So that's how you can easily clear the Clipboard history on your Mac. Doing this regularly helps safeguard your personal information and ensures a cleaner, more private workspace. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy macOS tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.